What up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you updates on different applications and projects that we've covered recently on this channel. Updates like the Avive, they dropped an update about the monthly distribution and they want us to verify and update our wallet address. So I'll be giving you guys more details about that in this video. There's also an update on the PSE application where we are mining, and they are currently on the Binance blockchain. So I'm going to be sharing more details about that in this video. And we also have updates on the Parcel Point where we've been farming some points, and season 3 is already over. We just hit the end of season 3. So they made an update. They posted an update telling us the tokenomics, how it's going to be distributed and so on. So guys, I'll be talking about that in this video also, and I'll be talking about many more other projects we've covered on this channel. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned, you need to pay attention to details and stick to this video to the end. Alright, so the first one I'll talk about is the PSE. Now they are officially on the Binance blockchain. Alright, so we can now add them to our wallet, add the token to our wallet, and wait for withdrawal from the application, you know. So and remember, we have 200 million PSE as a total supply, and we are still mining. The mining is still going on. So if you check in the description of this video, or you can go straight to my community in general, I'll be posting the contract address there. You can copy it and add it to your wallet, add it to your metamask wallet or your trust wallet, any other wallet you are using, but make sure your network is on the Binance blockchain. That's the PSE scan. So you have to be on the Binance blockchain in order for you to get this contract, in order for you to add it to your wallet, so that it's gonna be visible in your wallet. All right, so that's it about this. Congratulations to the community, and guys, if you are not yet mining, you can still mine because the app is still mining. We are still mining on the application right now. The link is in the description. If you've not started, hop on it right now and accumulate some of these tokens. All right, so for those of you that participated in the Parcel Point, I will say congratulations to you guys, because we are at the end of this airdrop so guys, if you participated, you guys should relax. We are already at the end, so I think we're left with just 2 days. So over here, let me quickly check the money, the last $10 I added. All right, you can see over here we are left with just 2 days, so this is going to be unlocked for us after 2 days. So this one over here is not locked, because the one down here is not locked because I used it to participate in the season 2. So, and this is just season 3 that is about to end. All right, so guys, if you participated, you are congrats, because we are going to be getting the distribution of the token very soon, and your points that you accumulated are the ones that are going to be converted into token and distributed to us. All right, so with the community, those that participated in this farming are going to be receiving 75 million of this token will be distributed to every one of us that participated. So congratulations guys, it is almost time for us to enjoy what we have labored for. It's time for us to reap from what we have sowed these few days, let's say few weeks ago. All right, so this is where you will see your points, and it's your points that are going to be converted into token for you. All right guys, so that is it about the Parcel Point. So guys, you have to go to their Twitter and stick to their informations. More updates will be dropping from there for you to know what to do next. All right, so make sure you are on their Twitter account, and I think they are on Discord also. You can go ahead, join and follow up to understand, and follow up to get real good informations and more details about how to collect, how to claim your tokens. All right, I will definitely also be sharing that with you guys if you stick around with me. The third one here is about the Avive update, about our withdrawals and the wallet updates and all that. All right, so if you read everything carefully, you should understand what they are trying to say here, but I'll give you a brief explanation for this. Now, what they're trying to say here is, regardless your UID that you've added to your account earlier on, that you collect OKX UID that you added and you received your tokens into your OKX wallet, you still need to go and add your wallet address. Now, what I'm saying, you should add your wallet address, guys. I keep saying this, use your MetaMask wallet. In fact, it is the safest, it is the best wallet that you can use for all these airdrops and so on. So use your MetaMask wallet. Just go and update your wallet. That's if you've not yet used your MetaMask wallet. You just go ahead, click on this link, or I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. I also already posted it in my community, and so you just have to click on that link, then you can edit. I'll click it and I'll show you what it looks like anyway. So guys, let's continue. Now you need to update your wallet address. That's what they're saying, and do not worry about the gas fee, because the team is going to take care of the gas fee to send the tokens into your wallet. No more using of UID. All right, OKS UID is no longer void for this. All right, so now this update is only gonna be for 5 days. After these 5 days, starting from today anyway, let's say I think we have 4 days left now. So after these days, you won't be able to update your wallet anymore. So if you are listening, if you are seeing this video right now, you should do this very fast before the 4 days are over. Do this if you mind Avive and you want to really collect all your tokens from the app into your wallet. You need to do this quickly. All right, what they're also trying to say in number 3 here is there won't be any more airdrops. So but you still have to log into the application daily to check in. Failure to do that, you are going to start noticing some reduction on your balance. So your tokens are going to start reducing if you fail to log in at most 3 days. After 3 days, if you don't log in at all to check in, they are going to start reducing your balance. Your account is going to start reducing. All right, so make sure you check in. Even if the airdrop have stopped, you just have to check in regularly to keep your accounts active. So that's it. Now in the nearest future, what they're trying to say here is, for those of you who have already updated your wallet address and you are eligible for every other thing, everything is perfect for you, working for you fine, you are going to keep claiming your monthly token every single month, you with the same wallet address. All right, you're going to keep getting that. So for those of you that won't be able to claim, or you forgot, or you missed, or something like that, they are going to accumulate your tokens for you, and after 6 months they are going to forward it into your wallet that you've already updated over there. They're going to send the tokens into your wallet for you by themselves, but it's going to be after 6 months. All right, click on that link. This is where the link will bring you to. So all you need to do is to put in your email address that you used in registering on your Avive mining application. Then you click on this send OTP. They'll send an OTP to you, then you copy the code and you bring it and paste it here. Then you come back and click on sign in, and once you sign in, your page is going to look different. It's going to be like this. Let me quickly show you what it's going to look like. All right, so it's going to look like this once you sign in, and if you are the type that already have your wallet linked, or you've been using your wallet to receive, or let's say you linked your wallet during the KYC, you linked your MetaMask wallet, you will see your wallet address over here, and they're going to be asking you, here is your wallet address submitted during the KYC. All right, now in order for you to edit it, if you want to edit it, you are going to share to X, then edit button will be available for you to be able to edit this. But as for me, I'm not editing anything. This is my MetaMask wallet I've been using ever since. So that is why I keep telling you guys, use your MetaMask wallet so that you are always on the safe side. You don't need to start running or thinking if you're on the right path or what you are doing is wrong or right. Use your MetaMask wallet and save yourself the stress for all this kind of thing when you are doing airdrops and so on. Use your MetaMask wallet. Now for those of you that still find MetaMask difficult, or you don't know how to set it up and all that, I made a video on that, and the video is in the description of this video. It's also going to pop up on the top right corner of this video. Go ahead, click it and watch it so that you learn and understand how to set up your MetaMask wallet. MetaMask wallet is actually the best for all airdrops and so on, so please use your MetaMask wallet. I have used my own ever since I minted Avive profile NFT, and I've never changed it. So since then, that's the same wallet I've been using to receive my Avive token. All right, I know I used the UID also once, but since they said we should stop UID, I didn't even bother to put my wallet address again, because I added it earlier on. So they just switched to my wallet address and start sending me my Avive to my MetaMask wallet. It's as easy as that, guys. So we are left with just few days. You can see the countdown going on. We're left a few days, guys. Hurry up, do this so that you don't lose your account, you don't lose your funds. And for those of you who have not even received your second token, your second distribution, I think this is the right time. I think this is the time for you to set up everything. Make sure you put your wallet address, and probably they'll send it to you. I have no idea why they didn't send the second one to you, but make sure you do this time around, you do this address this time around, so that you could get yours too. All right, so it's as simple as that with the Avive token. So now the last one, quickly, there is an update on the AlterProtocol. You guys, the AlterProtocol just finished their pre-sale, and now they just posted this, that we have the power to choose the vesting period for our mined token. All right, so guys, quickly update your application on the Play Store, then you can get access to these features and do whatever you want to do. All right, so guys, that is all for this video. So if you like what I showed you in this video, you give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. After subscribing, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update, guys. So before I leave again, I just want you guys to understand that the bull run has already started, and many people keep asking me, when is the bull run, when is this bull run? Guys, the bull run has already started, for real. It has already started. So I don't know what you are thinking or waiting for to call as the bull run, but it has already started, guys. So now is the time to buy some tokens, buy some coins, and even if you are participating in airdrops, go ahead, go in hard. Make sure you participate. If you don't have funds to buy tokens, make sure you take your airdrops seriously. All right, this is the time to accumulate some crypto. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.